Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use pre-workout drink. First, understand that pre-workout is designed to enhance your energy and focus during exercise. It typically contains ingredients like caffeine for alertness and creatine for strength. Always read the product label carefully to check for any allergens or specific usage instructions before you begin. For optimal results, consume your pre-workout about 20 to 30 minutes before you start your exercise session. This allows enough time for the ingredients to take effect. When you first try a new product, always start with a smaller dose, like a half scoop, to assess your body's reaction. Mix it thoroughly with 8 to 12 ounces of cold water. It's crucial to use pre-workout safely. Avoid taking it too close to bedtime, ideally within 6 hours, to prevent sleep disruption due to stimulants. Always prioritize hydration by drinking plenty of water throughout your workout and the day. If you have any existing health conditions or are on medication, please consult a healthcare professional before incorporating pre-workout into your routine. To maximize the benefits of your pre-workout, consider cycling its use. This means taking breaks from it to prevent your body from building a tolerance, ensuring it remains effective when you need it most. Remember, pre-workout is a supplement, not a substitute for a balanced diet and consistent training. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.